Ever since I first discovered junk journals, I've been obsessed with pretty paper and stickers and anything that can be used in my journals to decorate and document my life creatively. For me, it's so much fun and it's such a great outlet, being such a sentimental person. I've dreamed of products I'd love to have and use, and I've dreamed of how I could make those ideas and products come to life for such a long time. And I'm so excited to show you today my first physical junk journal kit. This is a little bundle of products that go together really well, or that can just be used individually across your paper projects and journaling. I've curated a first kit that I think has a nice little variety of things that will spark your creativity and some joy in your journaling, and I hope it's going to be the first of many kits. Today I want to show you a close-up of each piece and tell you a bit about them. So this is what your kit is going to come in. This is a C5 envelope, and I've printed one of my little prints onto the envelope, so you can reuse the actual envelope in your junk journal or just as an envelope. You can tear it up and use it as paper. You can definitely reuse it, and that's something that I really wanted to stress in this kit. I want you to be able to reuse every single piece, including the packaging pieces. So when this comes to you, I won't seal the envelope. I'll leave it unsealed, and I'll have a belly band around the envelope to keep it closed, but then you can reuse it however you like, whether you want to seal it up or tear it up, whatever you want to do. So opening up the kit, we have a little stack of items. So here are all the items in the kit. I'm just going to go through each one and talk a little bit about what each one is. So the first one, maybe the one I'm the most excited about, is my very first sticker sheet that I created. I illustrated all of the little images that you see here. I actually did it traditionally in my sketchbook, and then I just enhanced it digitally and created the sticker sheet out of those illustrations. So this sticker sheet is called Enchanted Afternoon, and it has 32 total stickers. They are on white sticker paper, so they're matte, they're not clear, and they're writable, so you can write on top of these little label stickers. And I wanted this sheet to have a very loosely picnic sort of theme. For me, it kind of just embodies like a nice afternoon spent with your family or with your friends, or even just like out on a walk or on a picnic. And yeah, I just love how this sheet turned out. So there are 32 total stickers. This little packaging piece up the top is covering up the largest sticker in the set, which is this little clover chain. And then for the backing of this sheet, I've just done this pretty blue gingham, which you can repurpose again in your junk journal. So you can use this as paper or as like a photo backing, or you can cut it up, you can fold it, whatever you want. So that is the first item in the kit. Then I wanted to create a second sticker sheet, and this sticker sheet is printed on clear sticker paper, and this is just a simple black sticker sheet. So I've called this sheet Little Details because I wanted to create stickers that just add that final little detail, that little touch to a page. When you stick these down on a page, they sort of look like you've hand drawn with a marker, like pretty little scribbles or little doodles on the page. And I really like the look of that, so that's what this sticker sheet is. There's 30 total stickers on the sheet, and again, they vary in size. So some of them are larger, some of them are quite long, some of them are quite small. So that's the Little Detail sticker sheet. And then on the back, for the backing card, I wanted to, again, make this something that you can repurpose. So I created like a little photo frame or a little photo mat. You can use this in lots of different ways as well. You can stick your photos directly on top of the spaces here. You can cut it in half and have two little photo frames. You can cut out this little rectangle and fold it and then have like a little pocket for a photo to slip inside. You can also repurpose the cello packaging if you wanted to put your photos on the photo mat and then slip it back inside the plastic, and that could become like a little photo frame or a little protective pocket in your junk journal. So those are the two sticker sheets. Then we have a larger single sticker. So I'm not going to open this up because I've already packaged it. This is how it will come packaged, and this is what the sticker looks like. So this is, again, a sticker created from some artwork I did in my sketchbook. I painted this little cottage in the woods, and I really liked how it turned out, and so I wanted to turn that into a sticker. This is again printed on white sticker paper. This is also a laminated sticker, so it's a little bit more durable than the sticker sheets. You could definitely stick it onto like a device like a laptop or on a journal or a sketchbook cover. However, I would not put it through the dishwasher. So there's that cute little cottage sticker, and I have tested these laminated stickers under running water and they do not run. They hold up really, really well. And I've splashed water on my sticker sheets and they also do not run. So they're not technically waterproof, but they are definitely water resistant. Then I wanted to create 2 more stickers for the kids. So these are 2 more single stickers. These ones I have printed on clear sticker paper and I've laminated them. So they're similar to the cottage, but they're a little bit smaller and they're on clear paper. They do have that laminate protective coating. So again, you can stick these onto your sketchbook covers, your devices, or you can just use them in your paper crafts as well. So these stickers again have been created from my artworks. I've done a little fox and a little family of ducks, which I think are really cute. So that's it for the stickers. I wanted to include a few extra little goodies in the kit. So you will also receive a set of 2 postcards. And for these postcards, I've used the same artwork as the 2 single stickers. So we've got the family of ducks as a postcard, and we've got the little fox as a postcard. And these are both double-sided, so you can write on the back. You can use them as a postcard if you like. You can attach a stamp up the top here and write on it, or you can just use it in your journaling, which is how I always like to use postcards. So a set of 2 little postcards that will come in the glassine envelope. And then lastly, a little envelope and a matching note paper. So the note paper is A5 in size, and again I've used my little painted clover chain to decorate this note paper. And if you fold this in half, it should fit really well inside the little matching envelope, which again has cute little clover chains on the back. And then on the front, some of the little icons from the Enchanted Afternoon sticker sheet. So you can use these together or you can use them separately. I think this would make a really nice background paper in a journal page. You could write on it, you could use it as like a picture frame and decorate it a little bit, or you can use it as writing paper inside the envelope and actually send it in the mail. There's plenty of room on the envelope to write an address and send an address, or you can again just use this as a little pocket in your junk journal and do some personal writing, or use it as a photo pocket. So whenever you are seeing this video, I will have the kits available for purchase. I have kept the ready to ship kits at a pretty limited number, so there's only 25 that are ready to go straight away, but I will have a pre-order option if those happen to sell pretty quickly, which means that you'll receive the exact same kit, but there'll just be a few extra weeks turnaround time whilst I produce them. So that's not to say with 100% certainty that there will be pre-orders. That's only if there's enough demand to create more. I'm so looking forward to getting creative with more kits and adding more variety and more themes and more items to the kits, and just exploring my own art and my own creativity along the way. I will leave a link down in the description box to the ready to purchase kits, and if the pre-order kit option goes ahead, I'll also leave a link to that in the description box on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all your kind comments on my most recent videos as well, and I will see you all again really soon in my next video. Bye.